Jom masak with us as we gotong royong for our pre-dawn meal.
Adik,
Yes, what is your favorite nutritious dish?
Korean pancake!
And we are making it today. First, we cut the spring onions into 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly.
Mama, carrots are hard to cut.
Okay, let me help you with the cutting so you can help me with the mixing. We mix it in a bowl with water, egg and
Whole grain flour. Mama, I'm hungry.
patience, adik. Just a few more minutes on each side on the slightly oiled pan.
Okay. It's golden and crispy.
Wow, so smart. Try this recipe with your loved ones and enjoy the meal with warmth and love.